Today, we are testing a 7.5 kW and 380 volt granulator. This is a small but popular granulator from our Artmash line. The model is suitable for granulating any types of compound animal feed and some types of fuel pellets, for example, for processing sunflower byproducts. It is the optimal choice between a solid performance and an affordable price. We have been manufacturing and constantly improving this model of granulator since 2014. This is a gear granulator. It uses a bevel gear with a spiral tooth, which gives a significant advantage, because a bevel gear with a spiral tooth engages two teeth at once. Due to the shape of the tooth, continuous contact of the gears, noiseless and smooth operation even at high speeds, and a longer service life of all consumables are ensured. This granulator operates with a 200 mm diameter die and allows for the production of pellets with diameters ranging from 2 to 8 mm. Artmash LLC has a closed metal working cycle. We deal with all stages of metal processing, always prioritizing machines with computerized numerical control. Our equipment fleet and professionally trained team allow us to perform highly complex tasks. Artmash is the result, and the result is the labor of the team multiplied by time. Put your trust in the tried and true for reliable granulation equipment.